Well, today I'm gonna showcase an MH Hub script. I'm about to go to school right now. Time 6:59, almost 7:15. So I'm gonna quickly showcase this hub. Yeah. Showcase all its features. Alright, let me execute the script. The script will be in the description. Alright. So first you can have push aura. Look at it does. Like, you could just do this. You can push everyone. And you got the inside ragdoll push. And just ask her, no, push me. Ask one of them to push you, and then like, see, and it's just anti-ragdoll, and then you have free push. It gives you a lot of pushes, and then you can spam chat. You can break the balloons. You can break balloons. No balloon. You can break the mine. Yeah. The mines are broken. You also have potion fling. So this, now you can do this. You can fling people with your hand. Look at this. You can do that. You can do invisible. And you reset it to deactivate it. Yeah. And also you can do crash server. You can do crash server, but right now so if you want to do crash server, you need some hats. It's gonna say copy hats. So another thing is you have a target people. Hold on, let me go down. You can also target some people. That's oh. Alright. Alright, let me tackle this let me tackle Cookie right here, Cookie. Let me test it on her. Look, you can teleport to them. Oh look, you can kill them. I gotta drink this. You can kill them. Yeah. You can kill them. But you can kill all, but I don't know how to get 40 potions for that. It's pretty hard. I don't know how to do potions. Also, you can jail them. Jail them like this. Cookie girl, you can jail her. Put it right here. Yeah, you see Veil. You can give people like a potion. Look, free potion. Yeah, you can also focus on them. I have no idea what it does. Yeah, basically just auto kills them. Yeah, auto does that to them. And then you can pulse fling. You just have to just click it, just fling. Also, you can bring them. You can also bring them. You can also bring them. You can also fling them. That's the last command. You can fling them. No effort. You can just fling them. Whoa, and they have some teleports thing, I think. Yeah, we got the teleporty things. Yeah. My game is broken. I gotta rejoin real quick. Alright. Okay, guys. So now basically all we need to do right now is just like see. Alright. So execute the script again. And then continue where we left off. Now the teleport, you can go to the minefield, balloon, stairs, moving stairs, power stairs, skyscrapers, cannon 2, cannon 3, pool, yeah, and miss. You can do anti-kill. Anti-kill is if anybody has the same script and they kill you, you don't have to you don't have to be able to kill you. Anti-kill, anti-headset, they can't sit on your head. Anti-fling, that means they can't fling you. Anti-bang, they can't do any weird shit to you. You can respawn your character. Respawn. And fly, G to fly. I don't have a keyboard skip right now. All you need is just, oh yeah, you can just do this. Yeah, you can just do this. It's a super, and they have a superhero fly. You just get a superhero fly. Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, very cool. Spawn. And also, we have infinite yield that somehow, for some reason, doesn't work for me. We have Fates admin, and also chat bypass. Yeah, that's it. So, and the FE scripts, FE headless. Give me headless for a second. Don't wait, it's so itchy. Alright, guys, if you can see it, if you can see this, I have 3 headless. And also, you can do E flips. You can do E flips. Yeah, but my thing's kind of broken right now. It lets you flip around like a crazy man. And also, we have small body, but I need to change my body to low. And we have big hats. Bro, let me just reset my character, respawn me. My head is stuck underground. And also have big hats. Big hats if I need potion for it. And then it should make your hats very big. Yeah, but I think it's broken. Right now it's broken for me. Yeah, if you make your hats really big, you have to use a potion. Alright guys, I'm about to go to school. Alright, hope you liked the video. Put the link in Patreon, of course. Alright, see you later.